What is up, you guys? It's your boy Willie Head Jr. Back again with another banger. Let's go. We got my man Just Ain't Racing out here. We're in freaking Miami, Florida still, baby. As you can see by the palm trees. God, it's beautiful. It's like 80, 86, something like that. Prettiest day it's been yet. Our last day here. We just got done eating at the McDonald's. We're going to go and meet up with the rest of the crew down at Big Pink. They was taking all day, bro. I wasn't trying to wait on them. Got something to eat real quick. I was starving, man. Hadn't ate nothing. It was like 3 in the afternoon, man. I was out here starting about shaking and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm saying. Make sure to stay tuned in. We're going to go get some gas real quick, and then we'll be on the way, baby. Let's go! Yeah, buddy, we're on the way to the gas station. We gotta find one. Gotta find a nice little gas station on the way. We've had a beautiful time though, man. Me and Moto Mac, we went out on the daggone canoe earlier. That was pretty cool. It's been pretty cool, man. We had a canoe, had a little like wakeboard thing, had a little like paddleboard. I mean, not a wakeboard. Thing out. Oh no! It's on a donut! Ah! It's on a donut tire! That sucks. Look at Marshall. I don't even know if I've seen it. It's wild how you come down to like a city like this, man. And over the years you come down and you kind of get to see the city grow too, which is really, really cool. Have you seen a city literally grow? Like over the years of traveling with you and your family or anything? If so, that's pretty damn cool.
So I gotta zoom. They tryna talk, they not in the room. I've been so real, I'm dead to the tomb. They in the way, they gotta move. I got a gas, they running on fumes. Told them way back, it's something new. It's me and Dan, you gotta choose. I'm taking what's mine, I'm doing fine. Don't see the vision, they looking so blind. I hit my lawyer, I don't got the time. Crossing my T's and he dotting those eyes. Don't take offense if I do not oblige. I can't relate with like none of these guys. They hit me once and I'm cutting the ties. I was so low, but I'm back on the rise, it's real. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom, vroom. I told them all that I was soon.
You ready?
Soon. Know as a child, I got room. Oh, told us to back, I need my room.
I'm going across. You're good. You're good. Thank you, though. Hey, spots like that, be next to me. Not behind me, that way you ain't got to wait for me to go. Turn left right here. Me too. We got a Supra over there, hell yeah. Look at that thing, check it out. That dude up there on a moped. No hate or nothing, but you're definitely getting on a wild streak for a moped, bro. I would not be bringing that on the interstate, I can tell you that. That would be sketchy as hell. Man, it's beautiful out today. Check out the Porsche. Yes, sir. Wow, check that out. Wow. I don't think I've came in from this side. Not this time since we've been here. Pretty freaking awesome though, I do know that. I love me some Miami. Welcome to Miami. Well, I think the GPS is getting us lost. Hey, turn right, go. Come on. Man, I love Miami. Go that way. Check this Mustang out, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Little GT350 action. Let's get it. They don't want none of the smoke, though. What are you doing? Stay in your f***ing lane, bro. Doggone, look at that thing. Check out the tram up there. That thing's so cool. I like why we want to ride that. Oh man, check that out. The yacht coming over and through what? Like a stair step style building. That's pretty cool. I like that. Oh hell yeah, we got some cruise ships in, baby. I'm gonna have to shoot the drone up here in a little while over here. Come on! Oh, they're fueling that one. That's what that is. That's a refueling rig. And that one. Man, that's cool. I got you, brother. Nice little R7 back here. What's up, bro? Nice little R7 back here. Check out the beautiful Lambo. Oh yeah. Look at how gorgeous. Bentley. Yes sir, this is why I'm out. Yeah, boy, for a lease. Imagine having your own shop down here. I'd like to have something like that one day. Even if it's just a coffee shop, bro. Man, look at that. Benz. Beamer, Benz, or Bentley. Beamer, Benz, or Bentley. Now you got the Porsche out too. Another Porsche right here. We got just another Porsche right here. I like that color. It's like a teal aqua almost. I don't really know what to call that. Dang, it's a residential zone. People live here, bro. Like right here. Right here. Right down the street from the beach. If you enjoyed that video, smash the like button. If you enjoyed that video, smash the like button. Leave me a comment down below and subscribe. You know what to do, baby. Join the fast lane gang. We're gonna get out and go eat some. You know, hang out for a little bit. Maybe shoot the drone up, get some dope footage. Deuces.